Alright guys, as you guys can see, I put back in the screws in here, and that is screw right there. And as I mentioned earlier, there's one right in the back all the way, not this one but the one in the back for this guy right here with the vent thingy. And there's a screw all the way in the back, that one right there. And this is it for this guy, and underneath was the flat thingy to cover the fan. And now I forgot to mention, this thing is this cover goes on top of that for the fuse box right here. What happened was this fans or cap or whatever you want to call it, the screening cap, whatever, originally this is what it was in here, and it was all rotten and gone bad and everything, and the fan sucked it in inside the vents and inside the filter. As I mentioned, the filter on the passenger side, this was gone bad, so I took that off and I made a homemade. I did this, and it's a metallic, it's a metal fence or metal cap, whatever you want to call it, screening cap or whatever. I did this job at home, made it at home. I could buy another part, but it's just like that. This thing is going to last a lot longer than buying another product. This whole box costs about $50 something. So I thought I might rather just make something like this that is going to last forever. And yeah, pretty much it. And I'm going to put it back on, and the fuse actually, there's this fuse that goes back up here like that, and this is it. And I'm gonna put that in there, and that's about it. Just gonna go back on there.